Hello everyone, this is Ageless Queen once again with Simpson Road.
How you guys doing?
And we're here. We wanted to go over some of the comments and discuss the comments that were made in the rescission videos, part 1 through 5.
Right.
And we were just looking at some of them, and we wanted to, to answer or say what we needed to say, because sometimes we don't have time to go through each comment and say something, but we do want to do a video about it. So someone said in part 1 of 5, it says Betty BX, said, why couldn't Prince or George Michael get out of their contracts? And then someone else answered, great question. They said, I think Prince had trash lawyers that could not prove fraud, especially if their client benefited therefrom.
Right.
So we wanted to say about this comment that's probably more likely true.
Right.
When a lawyer is working so-called on your behalf, they're not necessarily working on your behalf.
No.
Oh, we have
Their
to say
first duty is to the courts.
Their first duties to the courts. That's absolutely true.
Right.
And so you can't expect them to have your best interest at heart. They don't. That's just the honest truth. Now, we are not attorneys.
Right. Nor do we offer legal advice.
No, we don't. And this is for entertainment purposes only.
Right.
I'll say that. And it's for educational purposes too. It's giving you a different perspective, because mainstream will tell you that anytime you need a lawsuit, you need to go to a lawyer, but that's not true.
Right.
We're coming to a time when lawyers are obsolete.
Right. They're becoming obsolete.
Right. And I couldn't be happier. Maybe I should take that out.
I mean, people can do their lawsuits, their rescissions, everything for themselves.
Right.
And it's time for us to get back to that point, to doing things for ourselves instead of getting hiring some third party who don't know anything about the case. So it's best when you start doing things yourself.
Yeah, lawyers have no firsthand. The lawyers have no firsthand knowledge.
They don't have firsthand knowledge.
They don't know your case better than you. They don't know what happened better than you.
Right.
So people like Prince and George Michael and other stars as well, they depend on these lawyers to do things for them, and there are some things that you need to do for yourself, because a lawyer's just not going to do it.
Right.
If everybody was rescinding, do you think we would need a lawyer? No, we wouldn't. So of course a lawyer is not going to tell you to rescind. They're going to tell you it's a bunch of hocus pocus nonsense. That's what they're going to say.
Right. And you'll start learning more when you start doing things on your own without a lawyer. You'll learn the system more quicker.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Well,
here's another comment. Let's see. Oh, somebody said rescission is a real wow. Thank you for that. Someone else said, don't just rescind it, collect upon it on your way out.
Okay.
Okay, I like that.
I like that too.
So someone else said, dismissal does not nullify it from further claims. And someone said, with prejudice, it does. Dismissal does not nullify it from further claims. What does that mean?
I don't know. Because dismissal and rescission are two different things.
So maybe they're saying dismissal of a case after rescission or something. I'm not really sure what that comment means.
Right.